What's up guys, today we're going to go over some of the top questions asked in our live AMA last week. Don't forget, we're live on YouTube every Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern, and we'll be giving away 500 promo credits to one lucky winner who makes it to the end. Don't miss our next live stream next Friday at 8 a.m. Now let's get back into the video. He's asking, him and his wife use the same computer. They were wondering if they can have 2 accounts on one device because his wife wanted to start up a Bullrush account as well.
You can have 2 accounts on the same device. So we don't flag based on IP addresses, but we do only allow one user, one user per person. And so that's why you have to go fill out your date of birth. You have to get pass AML KYC and do all that, because we do want to make sure that, you know, the same person is not just entering 50 times into the same competition and creating an unfair advantage that way. And so we do ask those questions and go through the AML KYC verification process. And so everybody in our system is legit. They have been verified. And our support team, if you have 2 users, somehow you slip through that, they'll reach out because they shut down one of those accounts and see which one you'd want to move forward with. But to answer your question, yes, you guys can trade on the same account. You can trade on the same computer from 2 different accounts and 2 different profiles. Just make sure you're not the same person doing it.
Nice. Here, before you answer the question, I just want to make it clear, we are not a prop firm. We do not offer challenge accounts.
We don't offer funded accounts.
We don't offer funded accounts.
We do have
challenges, but they're different than the traditional prop firm challenges.
Exactly. So the big difference is we offer no funding here. Everything is a virtual simulated demo trading, whichever terminology you want to use in the environment. And if you pass one of our challenges, the difference is you get an instant prize. That prize can be promo credits, that prize can be real credits, that prize can be swag. You know, again, we have all sorts of swag we're coming out with. And so we view ourselves as like that third pillar, the people that will have their self-funded accounts at a brokerage firm, the people that will get additional capital through a prop trading firm, and then trading competitions, because we see it as sort of that third pillar to come in, test your new strategies, be that competitive outlet, you know, of course, win some prizes along the way. But that's the goal of what we're trying to do.
So
the goals of our challenge accounts, which we're getting creative with those. So of course we'll have the standard ones where it's like make 10% before you lose 5%. But we also have some ones where we're going to do like over, you know, have a win rate of over 70% over 100 trades, or have a profit factor of more than 1.5 over 100 trades. And so we have creative ways that we can do these challenges with the goal of becoming a better trader. And so we'll run them free, but some other ones you'll pay small. It's not going to be astronomical. It's not going to be like I've seen some prop challenges, you pay $20,000 to go get funded. These will be like 5, 10, 15, 20. And the rationale behind that is that if you have something on the line, you take it more seriously. And so I had this conversation yesterday where I think challenge accounts and competitions are really good, and they can be better than a demo account, because if you just go open up a demo account at a brokerage firm, you have nothing at stake. It was free to go get that demo account. There's no rules around it, and you don't win anything or lose anything if you don't do well. Where inside of trading competitions, it's either free to enter or you can pay a small amount to enter. You have rules such as daily drawdown, max drawdown. The leverage is a little bit more constrained than you can get on a normal demo or brokerage account or even prop accounts. And then if you do really well at it, you win a prize. And so you're more incentivized to become a better trader, trade better, etc. And so that's the goal. Is, you know, there's a large education component to Bullrush that is designed to help advance your trading.
Yeah.
And we've had people on that. I know somebody, one of the guys, he, you know him probably in Discord, but didn't he win and he went and just took the money from our system and went and bought a prop challenge?
Yeah, and he actually, we've seen, I think 2 people actually.
So he leveraged the free Bullrush competition into leveraging the competition earnings to becoming a better trader, to passing a challenge, to going into a funded account where he got a payout.
I'm telling you, Trent, we're changing the space. We're changing the space here. We have very fast withdrawal rates. What's the fastest withdrawal we've ever had, Trent?
I asked the finance team, it was about 3 minutes. Yeah, it's crazy. So obviously it's not always that way. We do say allow 48 hours for the withdrawal. Great question. We get this question a lot. As you've probably seen, MetaQuotes is not the most pleased with this space so far, and so we've seen a lot of prop firms get shut down and have disruptions of their service because that's the platform they went with. And so we didn't want to have the same thing here. And so we went with an awesome alternative, Match Trader, sponsored by GUI Trade, who runs our platform. So Bullrush doesn't run our platforms. It's done by a third party right now called GUI Trade, and that platform is Match Trader, which is an awesome alternative in my opinion.
I love it. You got TradingView in there.
I was going to mention that. They added TradingView charts 3 weeks ago. That's all dynamic directly inside of the platform. And so they're adding a lot of cool features to cater to this industry where they're very much more receptive to it, which is awesome. And they've been a great outlet for us, and we can't praise their platform enough.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people ask about MT5, but I mean, just an even amount, if not more, people have been praising GUI Trades and Match Trader. So especially since they've added in that TradingView chart. I mean, I'm a fanboy of TradingView. I love those charts.
If MetaQuotes would ever, one of the big things too is MetaQuotes, unless you have an RFED license, then they don't allow you to operate in the United States, which we're not a broker dealer. And so we don't need an RFED license, which is what the big brokerage firms are. And so we could never, if we did offer that, it would never be for the US traders, which we want to be open to everybody. And so that was a big determining factor as well. So if MetaQuotes ever changed their mind, we would be happy to add their platform to our system. But again, Match Trader platform has been a great alternative, and they're, in my opinion, one of the better platforms that's popped up in the space.
Don't forget, we're live on YouTube every Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern, and we'll be giving away 500 promo credits to one lucky winner who makes it to the end.